Welcome to the WOW app, your home for all things World of Work. Don't forget to accept your WOW app email invite to create your account. Let's dive in. In order to log in, either visit wow.cloud.appspace.com on your desktop or mobile browser, or download the Appspace app on your iOS or Android device. You'll need to use the same wow.cloud address to log in there as well. If your organization uses the Appspace Employee app already, you can log in by selecting your user icon and adding an account. After logging in, the first thing you'll see is the home screen. Check out the featured content pinned to the top of the screen, and scroll down to see even more content in the newsfeed. From the home screen, you can also interact with quick links and view information about the WOW 23 venue. Using a navigation bar, you can navigate through the rest of the app. You'll see this at the top of your screen on your desktop and at the bottom of your screen on your mobile device. Let's take a look at the agenda. Here you'll see the conference schedule at a glance. You'll also be able to explore the different tracks of sessions we're offering. If you click the Explore tab, you can navigate through all the conference content, sessions, and more. At the top, you will find Topics, where you will see content organized by information, sponsors, and tracks. Channels are similar, but provide a broader mix of in-the-moment information, including a quick listing of all the sessions that belong to each track. Lastly, there are Pages. Pages are all of the articles posted in the WOW app in one place. Use the search bar to find the specific content you're interested in. The last tab on the navigation bar is More. When clicking on this option, you'll see a few more areas that you can explore in the app. By clicking on Events, you'll see all of the sessions taking place during WOW that are available for RSVP. You can RSVP to any event by simply clicking on the Going button on each event. The button will expand to be a solid blue bar to indicate your choice. You'll see any events that you have RSVP'd for listed under the Attending tab at the top of the event screen. And that's it. If you need any assistance or have any questions about using the app, feel free to contact us at wow@appspace.com, or during the event, stop by the registration desk or the World of Appspace area.